Oops. Okay, as usual, we're gonna start off by priming our eyes. I'm gonna use my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite. And I'm just going to color in my eyelid, basically, with this eyeshadow base. Then we just wanna blend that out so it's all nice and even. And now we can go in with our eyeshadows. I am so excited to try this palette. I will say though that the Australian dollar is absolutely terrible at the moment. This palette retails for 39 US dollars. It costed me 85 Australian dollars. So I will say if this was not a Kathleenlights collaboration, I wouldn't have bought it. But I love Kathleenlights. She's probably my favorite beauty YouTuber. So I might hold off buying makeup from America for a little while and hopefully the dollar improves. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful palette, and if it was $39, I would snatch that up right away. But yeah, currency conversion, terrible right now. Anyway, onto the eyeshadow. Let's start off with Your Gem. Sort of got like a peachy undertone to it, and I'm just taking this on a Sigma E40 brush and make sure there's no creasing. Just going to blend this into my crease. Now I know it's going into spring here in Australia, but most of the population lives in the Northern Hemisphere. So I think I'm gonna come up with like a fall look. Really, you can wear it any time of the year, but I'm thinking of using some like fall colors. Okay, so next up I'm going to switch to a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to go in with Carnelian, the reddish earthy tone below it. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease as well to deepen it up a little. And I guess I'm also applying it on my outer corner. I wasn't really concentrating what I was doing just then, so I guess we're putting it on our outer corner as well. I was busy thinking about all the stuff that I need to do before tomorrow because I'm off to Sydney. I will probably upload this whilst I'm in Sydney. I have so much to do and I haven't even booked my flights yet, and I'm supposed to be in Sydney tomorrow. I am very disorganized. So next up I'm gonna go in with Garnet. Sort of a reddy matte shade, and I'm gonna put this on my outer V. Honestly, I really want to play with the blues and greens and purple, so let me know if you want another tutorial with this eyeshadow palette. It did cost me $85, so we might as well get our money's worth. Next up, I'm switching to a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with Sunstone first, which is this beautiful golden shade. We will go in with Ruby, but first we're going in with Sunstone. So I'm just gonna pack this onto the, ooh, that is really pretty. The first half-ish. Then on another flat shader brush, I had to make sure I had the right brush there. I'm going in with Ruby. And I'm gonna use Ruby to blend, what was it, Sunstone? Into that matte red. Oh, I really like this shade as well. This is a beautiful palette. I know I complain a lot about the price, but that's just because I'm a bit sour that it's 39 US dollars, but then 85 Australian dollars. I did have to pay for shipping as well, but it's still a very beautiful palette. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna grab a clean blending brush and make sure everything is nice and blended. Now I'm going to grab another flat shader brush and I'm going to use Pearl as my brow bone highlight. Okay, cool. So I'm going to leave the top eyeshadow for now and go in with some liner. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. And I'm just going to line my top lash line with this because I am going to be wearing false lashes as always. And this just helps hide the lash band. Now I'm just going to go in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and apply some false lashes. These are not the 778 lashes. These are the Studio Effect Demi Wispies. I just couldn't find their original case, so chuck them in this one. If you guys saw the intense mess that my filming room is after I film, you would understand why things are never in their right case. Yeah, so first up mascara. Okay, now time for lashes. I'm gonna do these off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back, lashes are on. Now it's time for our base, but. I'm actually gonna do my base off camera because I just got the new Fenty Beauty foundation and I wanna do a review video. So I'm also filming that today. If you guys wanna see my thoughts on this foundation, look out for that video. It should be the next video after this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my base and then I'll be back again. Okay, I'm back. My foundation is on. We're looking very dewy. But now for concealer, I'm just gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. Because I am filming that testing foundation video, I am gonna use like a concealer and powder that I always use because I wanna use something that I know works well, so that way I don't accidentally blame the foundation for like looking cakey or separating when it's actually the powder or concealer. I just got concealer all through my eyelashes. Lovely, okay. Let's just, you know what, let's blend out this concealer and then fix our eyelashes. Now to set the concealer, I'm just gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape powder. I wish every powder packaging was like the Marc Jacobs powder, where it stops like an excessive amount of powder coming through the sifty thing. Okay, anyway, just gonna pat this on where I applied the concealer. Then to set the foundation, I'm just going to use the MAC Mineralized Skinfinish Natural. Now onto bronzer, I just got the Charlotte Tilbury Lightgasm palette. First of all, packaging, absolutely beautiful. And the palette. So I'm going to use this shade that says Love. I'm going to bronze up my face. I haven't used this before if you couldn't tell. So hopefully it's good. Probably shouldn't be trying new products when I'm testing a foundation video, but okay, let's do this. That is a beautiful bronze shade. I really like that. So I am going to bronze the perimeter of my face. So along the jaw, the cheekbones, my forehead. I do find I have to work my brush into the palette a lot to pick up the amount of bronzer I want, but it is still a beautiful shade. And I'm just going to apply some down the sides of my nose, just to balance out my face a bit. Then for blush, I'm gonna take this beautiful shade right next to the bronzer. It's got like shimmery gold reflex to it. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's very sheeny. Hopefully gonna add a nice glow to my face as well. Not that we really need it with this foundation, but oh well. And then for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this beautiful golden, I need to expand my vocabulary, shade up the top here. Oh girl, that is so pretty. Oh, we are so glowy today. Let's do our eyebrows. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows with my Sigma brow pencil. You've seen me do this a million times. I'm gonna jump off camera and do it. I know I'm jumping off camera a lot in this video, but it's all the boring stuff, you know? Brows are on. Now let's do our lower lash line. Let's grab our palette again. So I'm gonna grab a pencil brush. And I'm gonna go in with that original shade we used, You're a Gem. And I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line with this. And I'm probably gonna blend it down a bit further than what I normally do, just so that we get that really nice smoky eye look. Then I'm gonna grab the shade Garnet, that reddy earth tone. And just on the same pencil brush, I'm just gonna blend this into the outer corner of my eye to make sure our lower lash line connects and matches the top. Then on a clean pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with Pearl, that beautiful highlight shade we used on our brow bone. And I'm gonna use this to highlight my inner corner. This look would be really pretty with some like orange glitter on the lid. If you guys wanted to add that, I want to stick with just what's in this palette. I know this palette does have 2 pressed glitters in it, but they're not intended for your eyes. They're not eye safe. So now I'm just going to add some mascara and get rid of that eyelash to my lower lashes. Now onto lips. I'm feeling something that matches that Garnet eyeshadow we used would look amazing. So I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Gash. I'm gonna go in with the Vice, what is this called? Lasting Glassy Tint by Urban Decay in the shade 21. I think it's the shade Lip Chemistry, or maybe that's the name? It's the shade 21, either way. Oh, I really like this color. And it makes my teeth look extra white on camera. And here we have the finished look, very fall appropriate. I am very happy with how this turned out. I do really love this palette, even though it costed me my soul. But I'd still pick it up again if I had like my time over. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you haven't yet and you would like to see more videos from me. Now I hope you'll have an amazing fall. It's going into spring here. I love spring, but my allergies don't. But I'll hopefully be in LA next month, so I will get to experience fall there. And yeah, I hope you're all having a lovely day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!